Why me? Why is this happening? You ask the universe. You feel the fire. You feel the weight, and you want it to stop. But here is the truth no one told you. Your pain is not the problem. Your refusal to use it is. You have been told a noble lie. Pain is bad. Avoid it. Numb it. This lie keeps you weak. The Stoics knew a brutal truth. Pain is not a punishment. It is a forge. You are not being destroyed. You are being created. Today, I will show you the alchemy of suffering. I will give you the 3 stages of transformation. You will learn how to turn your deepest wound into your greatest weapon. Let's look at the fire. You are in a difficult time, a breakup, a loss, a failure. It feels like the end of the world. You are fighting it. You are wishing it were different. You are wishing for your old life back. But your old life is gone, and fighting reality is a losing battle. You think the pain is an enemy. But what if it is an ally? What if the universe is not punishing you, but preparing you? The real enemy is not the pain. It is the world that teaches you to numb it. Scroll it away, rink it away, medicate it away. That is not mercy. That is control. Let's look at David. David was a runner. Running was his life. Then, an accident shattered his leg. The doctor said he would never run again. David fell into depression. He lost his identity. He asked, "Why me?" But then something shifted. David couldn't run, so he started to swim. He couldn't use his legs, so he built his upper body. He couldn't compete physically, so he started to coach mentally. 3 years later, David was stronger than he ever was as a runner. He had built a new body, a new mind, a new purpose. The accident didn't break him. It remade him. Do you see yourself in David? Are you staring at a closed door, weeping, while a new one stands open behind you? The ancient Stoics knew that we are not defined by what happens to us, but by who we become because of it. Today, we are going to stop asking why. We are going to start asking who. Who are you becoming in this fire? Love the flames. The first stage is acceptance, but not passive resignation. Active, fierce acceptance. The Stoics called it Amor Fati, the love of fate. You are wishing for a different reality. If only I hadn't made that mistake. If only they hadn't left. This wish is a chain. It binds you to a ghost. You cannot build a future while you are mourning the past. You must look at your life exactly as it is, with all its pain and ruin, and say, "This is mine. This is my material. I accept it." Why do you argue with the universe? Do you think you know better than fate? Do you think a life without pain would make you strong? It wouldn't. It would make you soft. The fire is hot, but it is necessary. Can you say yes to the fire? The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. The obstacle is not in the way. The obstacle is the way. Your pain is the path. Walk it. This is hard. Say thank you to the pain. Thank you for waking me up. Thank you for showing me my weakness. Thank you for clearing the path. You don't have to feel it. Just say it. It shifts your brain from victim to student. The muscle grows only when it tears. The second stage is adaptation. Pain is a signal. It tells you that your old way of being is no longer sufficient. You need to upgrade. When you lift a heavy weight, your muscle fibers tear. It hurts, but the body repairs them stronger than before. This is hypertrophy. Your soul works the same way. The heartbreak is tearing your emotional muscles. The failure is tearing your ego. Good. Let them tear, because what grows back will be tougher, more resilient, more capable. You are in the forge. The hammer is falling. Do not pull away. If you are ready to be tempered, make a choice. Go to the comments. Write this down. Write. Pain is power. This is your alchemy. What skill is this pain forcing you to learn? Patience? Courage? Independence? You are in a masterclass. The tuition is high. Are you paying attention? Or are you just complaining about the price? Learn the lesson, or you will have to repeat the class. Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Seneca. You are not suffering. You are training. Do not wait to feel better. Act. Build a new routine around your new reality. If you are alone, build a routine of solitude. If you are broke, build a routine of frugality. Adapt, evolve, survive. Your scar is a map. The third stage is transcendence. This is where the magic happens. You have accepted the pain. You have grown from it. Now you use it. You use it to help others. Your suffering has given you a unique knowledge. You know what it's like to be in the dark. You know the way out. You can now lead others. Your scar becomes a lantern. Your brokenness becomes your bridge to humanity. If you hide your scar, you wasted the pain. Pain that serves no function is just trauma. Pain used correctly becomes authority. Who needs your story? Who is drowning where you used to drown? By helping them, you heal yourself. You give your pain a purpose, and a pain with a purpose is not suffering. It is a mission. Are you ready to lead? What injures the hive injures the bee. Marcus Aurelius. But the reverse is true. What heals the bee heals the hive. Your healing is a gift to the world. Find someone who is hurting. Help them. Listen to them. Share your strength. Do not preach. Just be. In serving them, you will realize that you are no longer the victim. You are the guide. You thought you were breaking. You were breaking open. The shell of your old self had to crack so the new you could be born. The pain was not a mistake. It was the labor pain of your rebirth. Pain did not make you weak. It revealed who could survive you. Do not hide your scars. They are gold. They are proof that you survived, proof that you evolved, proof that you are dangerous, because a man who has walked through fire cannot be burned. The fire has done its work. The iron is steel. If you are ready to wield your new strength, then subscribe to the Stoic Citadel. This is not a hospital. It is an armory. Go to the comments. Make your final declaration. Write, I am the Phoenix. Your training continues. You have learned to use your pain. Now you must learn to use your flaws. Your next briefing is waiting. Click the video. Learn the art of total self-mastery.